Hello Kings and Queens, in light of my most viral video, Fathead Buns, we're making them again, but this time differently. I wanted to use pepper jack cheese to see if we could use it in place of mozzarella. So I started with 1 cup, and then I added 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of oat fiber, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Microwave until melted. When it's cool enough, go ahead and add in 1 egg and split into 2. I wanted to make these way thinner, leaving no room for unwanted texture. I cooked for 25 minutes on 375, and these came out exactly how I wanted them to. I got my bottom crispy, I got the top golden, it was beautiful. In my opinion, I definitely love this thinner version better. It was much like a biscuit, not too dry, not too moist. It was great, and the pepper jack cheese gave it an amazing taste. I know you guys will love it too. If you try it, let me know. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more.